Hello everybody, I hope you're all well. It's Christmas Eve, hooray! And I'm just out for a little gravel ride. Not doing too long of a video today because I've got to get out and then I've got things to do later. But yeah, just thought I'd bring you along. So yeah, let's go. Whew. Just gone straight into this little climb. Ooh. It's a bit slippy out here today. Warmed me up though, although it's fairly mild actually. The sun was out earlier. I don't know where it's gone at the moment. Oh, I haven't got my chest strap on today, so I'm doing this handheld. It's probably going to be, a bit wobbly. Tom's ill, so he's got a bit of a cold. I'm out on a solo ride. I don't mind though. Nice to get out of the house. It's the first one I've been on out and about for a while. I've been like super busy, so yeah, looking forward to this. It's going to be very enjoyable. I've been on Rouvy for about 3 weeks straight now. I've just been so busy. And then I was ill and I didn't really feel like going out, and then I've been busy again on the run up to Christmas, so you know how it is. I haven't been this way for a little while. This is the same sort of route I think I'm going on where we found the lost teddy. Hopefully there's no lost teddies today. I was going to say it's quiet out, but actually it is not. I've just been past loads of groups of mountain bikers. I thought there would be people. I was surprised that it was so quiet earlier on in the ride, but I'm getting close to Pedlar Bikeaway now, so probably see a few about. I'm going to go through Pedlar Bikeaway and then probably around the family cycle trail. I might deviate off somewhere else as well, but I'm pretty covered in mud already. It's very wet and muddy out, but lovely. Right, let's carry on. Right, I'm just down by like the little baby bottom bit of the verderers now, so I'm going to go down there and I will be in Pedlar Bikeaway. Let's go. My bike is doing surprisingly well around the more mountain bikey bits today, considering how wet and mucky it is out. Ooh. Just coming into Pedlar Bikeaway. And I don't think I'll go anywhere fancy that way today. I think I'm just going to go straight through. Straight through, over the bridge and onto the family cycle, the Collier's Trail. There's a few people about. Gosh. Yeah. Through the tunnel. Oh. Oh. I just found the battery compartment door open on my camera, where I'm taking it in and out like this. Just had to check I hadn't lost anything. All good though. Tunnel. Woo! Amazing what good spirits it puts you in a few good days of rest. Lovely out. I'm really enjoying myself. Here come the piggies to say hello. Hi guys. Hi guys, how are you? How are you doing? Hello. Hi piggies, it's me. How are you? Different gloves again, I know. Not the usual ones. Hi. Hi, you're looking very fine. What lovely piggies. You gonna come here? Come here then. I know you like those scratches. What about you? You want some scratches? Yeah. Yeah. Right, well, Merry Christmas, piggies. Merry Christmas, piggies. I'll see you later. Big smiles today. This is great. My ride didn't resume back there for some reason, so it's like probably cut off a chunk. I had to manually start it. We shall see when we get back. Probably gone in a straight line. The only thing that would have topped this off would have been a nice cafe stop, but I can't imagine there's many places open today. Obviously Pedlar Bikeway looked open, but right, nearly at my little sprinty bit. I enjoy a good sprint up here. I never actually beat myself on that segment on my e-bike because it's heavy and heavier than my other bikes. Not that heavy actually for an e-bike, but it's heavier, and I'm going at a speed where it doesn't really provide any advantage, but I still like to try. It's still good fun and it's good for you. A little sprint gets the blood pumping, doesn't it? It's getting a bit misty now actually. I think I might get a wiggle on and try and get home before it gets dark. Oh, it is so misty now, it's really setting in. I just cycled past a couple of lads back there. I reckon they might be creating all of this. They were putting out some mist of their own. Be having a very Merry Christmas. Woo. Right, well I'm signing off now for this video, and for this year I'm not going to be filming much, I don't think, over Christmas, apart from I might do a bit of my my bike build. If you'd like to see that, I'll try and film a bit. I don't know how well it will go, but yeah, I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching all my videos, and for liking and subscribing and commenting and all your support. I love chatting to you all in the comments, and it's so nice to have made some friends. I just want to wish you all a very Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, and I hope you all have a great 2025. I will be back with more videos then. So yeah, Merry Christmas! We wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.